Welcome dears. I hope all are doing good. So we are going to enter into chapter 4 now. I hope last 3 chapters you all are very familiar, right? It's about C programming language. What is programming language? Data types, operators and the conditional statements. Now we are going to enter into looping in C. Okay. So till this I have shown you some all PPT presentations, right? We can in chapter 4 we'll do something different. We'll go for AV. I hope you know about AV, right? Audio visual. In our Chrysalis we are having AV. So in chapter 4 we are having that AV to be played in chapter 4. Shall we go and see that? See, chapter 4 fully is being explained in that AV, all the concepts, important concepts, and also the PEP activity also explained there very well. Okay, just we'll see that and come. Yes, okay, we'll go for the AV now. See, this is your AV. So looping statements fully it's been explained here. So the lesson objective is in this lesson you will be finding the looping, what is meant by looping, all the available looping structures. Yes, and also about the DOS prompt. Yes, we'll see the first what is meant by C. I'm Raj and studying in 8th standard. So what he want to play. Right? So this is a type of PEP activity in a computer game. The Padma Bhushan is the Dash Award of the Republic of India. Yes? Can anyone say the answer? It is the third award. Who was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for the year 2010? Yes. So this is called as, which is the longest river? Name the organization that presents Oscar Awards. Which of the following company produces electronic voting machines? Yes? Bharat Electronics. Good. So out of 5, how many you have done the correct? So this is a flowchart. I have created a flowchart for the quiz program. Some of the elements in the flowchart are missing. Drag and drop the elements and complete the flowchart. You want to drag and see, this is the first PEP activity. You want to drag and drop the elements. So first, here what it will come? Start or stop? Start. Good. Then here condition will be coming, right? Check the answer. Yes? Yes. Check the answer. Are there more questions? Yes or no? Yes. So here, if it is no, you want to go for print the count. Here, stop. Yes. So this is your flow chart for your quiz program. So look at the given flow chart. So this flow chart will be running like this. Keep the count. So observe that the same process is followed for each question. It will get repeated as many times based on the number of questions. Check the answer. Keep yes means keep the count. Are there more questions? Yes means go print the question, get the answer, check the answer. If the answer is wrong, the count will not be kept. It will go here. If there is more questions, yes means you want to go to the print. In this programming, when a specific group of statements are executed repeatedly, these things are executed repeatedly, right? Are there more questions? Yes means repeatedly these statements are executed. That is called as looping. Okay, in this programming, a group of statements which are executed repeatedly for certain number of times. How many times? Till there is questions, right? So if a program in the programming, when a specific group of statements are executed repeatedly for a certain number of times, it is called as looping. Yes? Clear? Clear with what is meant by looping? Yes? Okay. The next one in this is loops, also called as iteration statements, allow a set of instructions to be executed repeatedly until a certain condition is reached. So loop are iterative statements that allows a set of instructions to be executed repeatedly until a certain condition is reached. On reaching this condition, the loop ends. So there are different kinds of looping statements: for loop, while loop and do while loop. I hope we saw this for while, do while in the PHP also, right? Yes? Do you remember that? Okay, we'll be seeing all the looping statements one by one in this also. For loop, the for loop in C executes the part of a program a specific number of times based on the given condition. Okay, the for loop is the looping statement in C which executes a part of a program a specific number of times based on the given condition. Syntax for loop is like this. So this is the initialization, condition checking and the increment, and here inside this braces you will be giving the statements. Okay, for example, for x is equal to 10, x is less than or less than 20, x plus plus. So this is x is equal to 10 is the initialization part, x is less than 20 is the condition checking, and this is the increment part. Okay, so for loop consists of these three statements: initialization, condition and increment. Here a number of statements will be executed. Okay, so the output of the above program prints the value from 10 to 19 when executed. When it comes to 20, it will stop. Got it? Yes? So this is the for loops. See how they are going to write the for loop statement. This is the AV which has been shown from the Chrysalis team. Here they are having your data I, for loop from 1 to 10, they are going to print it. Can you tell me what will be the output of the following program here? Main int 110 plus 55. So what will be the output? Only 11 will be printed 11 times, right? Yes, clear with this program? So we are going to initialize I is less than or equal to 10, I is equal to I plus 5. So print I, it is 11 times it will be printed. Got it? Next one is while loop. While loop tests the condition each time and then executes the syntax, right? So the syntax is while, condition, then statement. Example program include stdio, main function, integer. So while this condition you will be executing these statements. While the condition is not satisfied, these statements will not be executed. The above program prints the value from 0 to 9. Yes, the above program prints the value from 0 to 9. Clear with what is the while loop? So while loop tests the condition each time and then executes the loop each time it will be executing. We will be seeing the while loop example program here. So compiling the program, no errors. So 1 to 9 it is being printed. Yes? Any doubt here? See, in the include stdio.h, we are having the variable I, while I is less than 10, print, and then you are going to increment it up to I becomes 10. So from 0 to 9 it will be printed. If when it comes to 10, it will not enter into the while loop and it will stop executing. Clear with the while loop? You are clear with the while loop, right? Yes? Okay, the next one is do while loop. The do while loop executes the loop a certain number of times. But what is the difference between while and do while is, while if the condition is false, it will not enter into the loop itself. So at least if the condition is not there, at least one time it will not be executed, it will be waste. But in do while statement, after the execution of the statements only the condition is checked. So at least one time the loop will be executed. That is the difference between do while and while. While loop, the loop will not be executed if the condition is not true. It will become waste. But in do while, at least one time the looping statements will be executed. So do, the statements will be executed and then only they are going to check the statements. Okay? Yes? So this is the syntax and this is the example program. In this program, although the values I is equal to 0, the loop gets executed because a do while loop slightly differs from the while loop in its way. The reason is while loop tests the condition first and then executes the content of the loop, whereas the do while loop tests the condition after it executes the content at least once. Yes, got it? Any doubt here? The while loop tests the condition first and then executes the contents of the loop, whereas the do while loop tests the condition after it executes the content at least one. Right? No doubt, right? I hope you are clear. So the next is our program. See how the program is running in do while. So the condition after executing the printf, the condition is checked. So one time it will not equal to 0 means, so it is equal to 0. So it will come out only one time, right? Yes? Children, clear with this all the looping statements? Yes? I hope you all are clear with the looping statements which are available in C. In PHP also we learned the looping statements, right? Yes? Okay, what will be the output of the following programs? Drag and drop the correct answer here. See here, in this program 1, why they are saying no display means condition. See here, I is equal to 0. While I is not equal to 0 only, they will be printing hello. So this program, it will not enter into the printf because I is equal to 0. So nothing will be printed. Just the program will execute, that's all. It will not go into while loop, so no display. But whereas in this program 2, do while statement is used. So it will enter once in the loop, that is printf. So it will print hello and then it will check the condition. So condition is I is not equal to 0, but it is equal to 0. So one time only it will enter into the loop. The next time it will not enter. So only one time the hello is printed here, but the hello is printed here. Got it? This is the difference between while loop and